simple, never released to the public loophole. And once we activate this loophole, the money just keeps coming with just a few minutes each day. We were able to do this in our spare time without a website, without an email list, without buying ads, without any prior experience, and it only takes a few minutes per day to activate this simple loophole that pays us $35.47 over and over again from Walmart, Amazon, eBay, and other massive online marketplaces. Because this is so simple and requires such a small amount of time, we're effectively getting paid dollars per hour every single time we do this. And if we want to scale this up and make even more money, we just rinse and repeat this simple loophole as many times as we want. How would you like to do this too? If you answered yes, you're in the right place, because today we're going to reveal how you can get in on this and follow in our footsteps. This has nothing to do with traditional e-com methods where you have to buy a bunch of products, set up a store, and buy ads. This is so much easier than all that. Introducing PayShop. PayShop automatically creates e-com money machines that leverage our never-revealed loophole that pays us $35.47 over and over again with just a few clicks. You can do this with any phone or computer with access to the internet. And you can get started in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Click on the buy button below to lock in a special discount on PayShop. And make sure you do this now because the price is going to go up soon. Step number 2. Log into the PayShop web-based app and activate your first e-com money machine. Step 3. Enjoy payments of $35.47 over and over again with just a few clicks of your mouse. And if you want to make even more money, just use PayShop to activate another e-com money machine. Now, maybe you're thinking, this sounds great and it obviously works for you guys, but what about newbies like me with no experience making money online? We're glad you asked that, because we've had dozens of beta testers using PayShop over the last few weeks. Many of these beta testers were complete newbies that never had any luck making money online, even though they've tried just about everything. And the results speak for themselves. As you can see, PayShop works for anyone that follows the simple steps to activate this under-the-radar loophole. At this point, you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost. Because the never-revealed loophole inside PayShop makes it easy to get paid $35.47 over and over again. It would be easy for us to charge $97 per month for access because you'd quickly cover your costs and be in profit. But the good news is, when you get PayShop right now, we're eliminating the monthly fee and reducing the price so you get everything for a low one-time payment. But please don't close this page and come back later because the price is going up fast. Although the low price makes this a no-brainer, we're going to make this even easier by giving you access to some powerful bonuses that will help you skyrocket your results with PayShop and ensure your success. We're going to also give you a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can give PayShop a try, use it to make some money, and then decide if it's really for you. If you're tired of struggling, wasting time and money on methods that don't work, and you're looking for something new that's fast, easy, and proven to get results, then you need to get your hands on PayShop now. Click the button below now to lock in your discount and claim your bonuses before the price goes up.